Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now. You have this issue right here that I also have it. We are aware that there is an issue for some users attempting to access Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. So this is the main problem that people are having right now. You are not the only one who has this problem on Roblox, because if you try to go on Twitter and then if you search for Roblox down and if you search to latest, you will see that many people are complaining with some Roblox problems right now. So you are not the only one who has problems with it. If you try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out and then log in again and see if it works. And also you can try to update your Roblox. So guys, you can comment in the comment section down below what specific problem you are having right now on Roblox, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.